What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Out here with Amy today. And we're gonna be using our monster bass boxes to try and catch some bass in this little pond back here. Pretty stoked about it. Randomly, I got, I think, the wrong box or last month's box or something like that. Or this is probably my favorite bait in the box. So that's what I'm gonna be really tossing the most. This place is really weedy. So I'm almost guaranteeing a frog fish in here today. So we got this live target popping frog. It looks dope. Been killing it on live target. All right, guys. So I don't even know what box is what and what month and where, but I'm taking one of these from Amy's box. That's, I think, this month. I think I might've gotten last month's box. But these are wicked cool. They're like built, you can, obviously, it has this spot for Texas rig as normal, but it also has this little thing built in here so you can wacky rig it. It's like an O-ring in the middle of the damn thing. So we're gonna hook that right through there. I already have wacky rig set up, and then we do have some drop shot stuff we'll do later. First thing I like to do whenever I get a new frog is I like to trim the legs. So what I'll do is I'll take the legs, pull it up to the nose of the frog, and that's where I'm gonna trim. Boom, all the way across. And the reason for doing this is because a lot of the times those fish come up and they hit the legs. And if they're dangling too low, you might miss, they might completely miss the hooks while going for the frog. So this gives you a better chance of a hookup. Sweet. Got him off, son of a bitch. He done crushed it. Well, that's the first hit of the day. We've been out here for like 15 minutes and I got my first hit on this live target popper. I'd missed it like a son of a gun. It's funny, I hated the whopper plopper last year. I didn't catch a goddamn thing on it.
Oh, I got one.
You got one?
Yep.
On the wacky rig?
Well, it's not wacky, but.
Amy's got a fish. It looked like a big one too. That fucker jumped.
Oh yeah, it looks big. Oh, come here. Come on. Oh, da, da. It's so.
You got him?
Yep.
Decent fish too, huh? Yeah. That thing fought like a truck.
I know.
Hell yes. That's dope. Get over here.
On the
That's got a
big bite bait. Oh,
right in the snoot.
Oh, look how.
Right in the snoot, Rush. Look at that. Right in the gosh darn snoot.
That could have came out quick, like came out easy.
I know. You freaking kept him pinned. That was great. He was freaking out too. Nice.
Bye-bye. That was a good one.
That is dope. One down. Somebody else out here. There's somebody else out here. Looks like, yeah. Looks like they got a big bait tied on. What the? Did you fucking see that?
I heard it.
No, it was small, but it like literally came out of the water. That was insane. Well, folks, I just missed a fucking giant. And I took a piss a few minutes ago and turned my gosh darn camera off. And forgot to start recording again. She was easily 3.5, 4 pounds. Huge bucket mouth. Right in front of these fucking pads. Been throwing the frog all day. Finally got a giant bite. Got her to the kayak. And she spit the frickin' frog. I don't even know. She must have barely been pinned. I am with 3 blow-up misses since 9 a.m. and it's now almost 1. Those are the only bites I've had all day. I've been throwing lots of other shit as well. The jig, I threw the worm, I've been throwing this frickin' spinnerbait. That just killed me. That just literally ripped my soul 2 pieces. But that being said, I'm taking this goddamn frog off of this rod, put it back on the goddamn frog rod where it should have been in the first place today. Yay. Now I'm gonna catch like a 1-pounder. I'd be happy with that though. Do you? On what? Of course. Yay! It's just a little guy, huh? It's a pickerel? Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. You fucking little piece of shit. Yay, Amy's second fish right after I lost the giant. Yeah. Yeah. Get the fuck up here, you piece of shit! Woo! Finally! Yes! Not even that big and I don't even give a shit. Oh, God, that makes me feel so good. I don't suck! Monster Bass Box, live target frog. Holy sweet Mary. Fucking wind's blowing Amy and I around like we're freaking little rag dolls here. Oh. Yes! Well, thanks for coming out to play, bud, because, man, I was gonna go home crying without you. You have no idea how you made my day. Peace out, Cub Scout. Yes! I never catch fish on crankbaits. Awesome! It's just a dink, but that's sweet. Oh, I switched it up to the crankbait, and this little dude just nailed it. I've been fishing the frog all day, and I decided Amy and I are about to take off. It's been a fucking grind today, so I figured, why not? I'll toss the crankbait around. Nothing's gonna hurt. Fucking windy as hell. There's no rocks to bounce it off of, but who cares? And man, that was like my 6th cast. Bye, bud. Well, like I said, folks, it's been a fucking grind today for Amy and I. Whew. It's weird, we got 2 different boxes. I think I accidentally got the wrong box. They might have sent me last month's box, but you know what? That frickin' live target frog is my jam, and I'm like pretty glad they actually sent me that box, because I actually like had so much confidence in that bait. I've never used the popping version of the live target frog, like I said earlier, but I am pumped that they sent that to me. I had a good day, you know. Now that I've caught 2 fish, Amy's caught 1 bass and 1 pickerel, which she says minus is 1 fish. So apparently Amy's caught no fish. But I mean, man, the wind here was insane today. It was supposed to be like 3 miles an hour, and we got blown around like freaking rag dolls in it. It was not 3 miles an hour. It was probably closer to like 10 plus at times. It's actually died down a little bit at the very moment. So we're just fishing back to the launch. We're both gonna get the heck out of here. I'm gonna go watch Monday Night Football with my cousin, and pretty stoked about that, because it's gonna be a really shitty game. Because like, who thought it would be a good idea to put the like 2 worst teams in football against each other in like the second week of the season? I don't know. They should be fired. But it's Browns and Jets tonight, so that'll be fun. I'm just pumped I caught fish on the crankbait. That just made my gosh darn day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Amy and I are getting the hell out of here. I'm gonna go to my cousin's and watch some football. It was a fucking tough day. Amy said she's never fishing here again. She's given up on this place. She hates it. I sort of hate it, but there's definitely giants in here, because the one that I freaking lost the boat, man, I wish I was recording. What a dumbass I am. Anyways, if you had fun today, hit the subscribe button. If you want to check out Monster Bass for yourself, check out the link in the description. And, you know, put in your region, see what we're doing. Go check out some other Monster Bass videos. I'll leave Alex Rudd's channel down below. Benjamin's channel will be linked down below. And Jacob from the Chaos Paddlers out in the Midwest, he just did a freaking hilarious video with his box and released that a couple days ago. So I'll leave that link down below as well, because you all know that Jacob is my dude. That kid is fucking amazing. Go check him out. And yeah, that's it. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. Fish on.